We are here for a HoliYAY giveaway today again. Today's video is for the Jaclyn Hill OG palette. Like, this is her original, not her original, but like her famous original palette with Morphe. Okay, take it all in. This here is what the palette looks like. Tell me that's not stunning. If you've not seen this palette yet, welcome. This palette is like endless possibilities in one spot, okay? You have amazing, warmer, neutral matte colors for transition colors or full eye looks. You have beautiful shimmery shadows. Most of the shades in here I feel are warmer, and you have a few pops of color, which I absolutely love. The quality of the eyeshadows is superb. So worth it. And today, 2 of you guys will be winning your very own brand new Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you've already seen any of my giveaway videos, you know how they work. All of the info of how to enter will be in the info box down below if you want to take a peek. But if you're new here, this is how you're gonna enter. You're gonna subscribe to me here on YouTube. You're going to follow me on Instagram. It's just The Lavish Palette. And at the end of every giveaway video, I ask a question, and you have to give your own personal response to that question in the comments down below, along with your Instagram handle and or your email address if you don't have an Instagram, just so I have a way of contacting you if you are a winner. Now, unfortunately, this is not an international giveaway yet. I'm so sorry. I'm working on it. But for everybody here in the US, today's giveaway question is, who are you closest to in your family and why? Okay, I know this could be a little controversial. There's no right or wrong answer to this, but I know everybody has an answer, so don't play games and give me a real answer. For me, it's my brother. I feel okay saying this because I'm pretty sure no one in my family actually watches my videos. But for me, it's my brother. He is like my go-to person. We talk about everything, and even if we don't talk every single day, which we don't actually talk religiously every single day, we can talk about anything whenever we do talk. He is one of my best friends. I love hanging out with him, and I feel so lucky that I have this relationship, but it definitely took work. Like, we definitely, when we were younger, were not friends. We are super close now, and he's definitely my favorite family member. Leave your comments with your answers down below. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. I don't know why I'm giggling about this. I feel like if somebody by chance in my family happened to watch this video, which I seriously doubt, I could get in trouble. So I feel kind of like, dangerous. I'm lame, okay? I'm a grandma. These are the things that make me feel dangerous. But yeah, leave your comments down below. And until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.